All right, how's it? We're doing today. Welcome back to the channel. Now, tomorrow is Tesla's earnings. This is very highly anticipated. I don't know if like they've ever been so many people actually anticipating earnings for Tesla, but today we're gonna be talking about the preview and my predictions on the earnings that are coming tomorrow. I'm currently recording this on the Tuesday, and then Wednesday after hours is going to be the earnings. Now, I'm going to be live streaming the earnings. Like, you can technically sign up and watch it yourself, but I'm going to be personally live streaming it on this channel. So all you guys have to do is tune into my channel tomorrow and then watch the earnings. And I'm going to be doing this for like their battery day when it comes up next month, or any other big events that are actually able to be live streamed live. So all you guys have to do is tune in, make sure to subscribe to actually stay tuned to listen it live. I don't know if I'll give commentary, I probably will, and we'll listen to it together, look at the stock price and stuff like that. So today we're going to be looking at the preview of it. Today it's down 2%, but don't look at that. Look at yesterday's movement of almost 10%. Like, no, it was 10%. Like yesterday it went up over 10%. So it just retracted a little bit. I mean, that's quite normal before earnings day. I feel like that happens a lot. It goes up and then it retracts a little bit. People are scared, like what can happen? It's really high. So yeah, the Nasdaq is down 0.6% today. And then Tesla's down almost like 2%, right? So I mean, that usually happens, trails more than the Nasdaq. Now, one thing that's really crazy is if you look at the valuation from just 3 months ago, from last quarter, last time they showed their earnings, they were at 100 billion market cap. They have tripled their market cap since the last earnings. Just imagine that. That is insane. They have tripled their market cap since the last earnings, more than tripled. So that is insane. Okay, so the 4P, oh man, it has a pretty high 4P. But anyways, if we look at their financials, right? Are they gonna be making a profit? Robinhood's, obviously this is really bad indication, but their like earnings estimate is negative 71 cents a share. So the Robinhood thinks that they're gonna be like basically not even making a profit. But I do think they're gonna be. I think they might squeeze in a profit this year. I definitely do think that. And if they do, obviously that's pretty much for certain gonna be giving them access to the S&P 500. So basically, they're gonna be included in that. I made a video on that if you haven't seen that already. But if you look at the basically the gross profits for the last quarter and then operating expenses, they barely made a profit last quarter, or 2 quarters ago, I mean. And that was like before Roni, right? Before Corona. But they haven't released the Model Y, and that was when they were ramping up production for Model Y. So a lot of expenses were like actually being used then. So in my opinion, I can't say for certain the stock price will go down or up tomorrow. I personally think that if it's good news, it could go up to like 1700, maybe 1800, maybe 1700 if it's like pretty good news, if they make a profit, because Tesla stock just is like that. But also there's a chance that it could just literally stay at like 1600s. You can go up to like almost 17. Maybe you can dip down to 1500. I don't think there's gonna be too much of an insane move. But either way, I'm gonna be just holding it through the earnings. I'm not like looking to sell it. If anything, if it goes down a lot, I might buy. But it's still pretty high up for me to purchase any more shares right now. And then income, like before tax, is literally really low. So we've got to just wait and see what actually goes down tomorrow. Now, my prediction, I think they will be making a profit, especially since Elon Musk literally made a tweet saying that we're looking to like sell more cars, and like he thanked his employees. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna make a profit. I feel like a lot of people do think that, and that's why the stock has just gone up 60% in the last month. I mean, that's, I don't like, you can't really justify that right now, but yeah, that is crazy. And yeah, man, we just gotta wait and see for tomorrow. But in my opinion, we do think that they will be making a profit, and if that happens, then they'll be included in the S&P 500, which is huge. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to do so already. Now, if we look at, for example, one stock I want to make a video on is Nikola Motors, right? Their stock has been absolutely insane. I actually wanted to make a video, like when it was so high up, talking about how people are just dumb buying this company, right? I'm gonna save that for another video. I might make that my next video later today. This might be like a double upload day, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So, but yeah, that is pretty. Other than that, that's pretty much it to talk about. There isn't too many things to talk about here. Especially since there isn't much news for Tesla. Like they go down 3%, like nothing, like 2%, 3% decrease. Like they were up 2% this morning, now they're down 2%, and now they're down like 1.8. So it's a very volatile stock. So I wouldn't be surprised. The last earnings that happened was around the beginning of the year, right? You saw it jump all the way up. Like earnings came, boom, 500, boom, 800. So like it's just insane what is going on. Now I don't. Now we got the mutter. We got. Oh my God, we got the numbers, right? So we got the numbers that Model X and Model Y, Model S, Model 3 sold. Model S and Model 3 are like number one cars sold for Tesla, and then the other ones trail. Now it'll be interesting to see how much profit the Model Y brought. Probably not a whole lot, but they've made earnings for the last few years. So hopefully this Corona doesn't actually do anything, because think about it. All the other automakers right now aren't making profit. Not all of them, obviously, but a lot of other automakers aren't making any profit right now. So if Tesla can pull a profit, that would be crazy. So yeah, that we just gotta wait and see for tomorrow. Make sure to stay tuned for my live stream. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.